So today we are going to witness new and challenging realm of knowledge, innovation, and inspiration. Our goal is not only to expand our horizons, but to do so in a way that will keep you engaged and perhaps even a little surprised.
Thank you, KJR Dental Center, for this opportunity, and thank you to the Dental Recipe team and program kasi as mentioned kanina, I really love aesthetic dentistry, and an opportunity like this to present what I've learned and to show you guys my love for our profession.
We can take the silent songs, sing on at the top of our lungs. Know the moment's never gone. We can be forever. This is our forever. This is our time. This is our time.
Nakita ko lang dun sa colleague ko na schoolmate ko before. So, isa kasi siya sa speaker. So, nakikita ko kasi lagi yung mga work niya. Para talagang natural yung mga gawa niya. So, parang na-inspire ako na gusto ko matuto kung paano yung step by step, kung paano ako mabibigay sa patient yung mas magandang work, tsaka kung paano ko mapapadali yung work side ko.
Almost all of the lecturers are my mentors too, Dr. Randall Paredes and Dr. Archie De Leon. I've seen them and heard them do lectures before. Tinuruan din ako ni Doc Randall with a composite course before, and sobrang dami ko natutunan. Magagamit mo talaga siya in a daily basis sa clinical practice, and those techniques na ginagamit nila din sa practice nila, they're always ready to share their knowledge. So, very helpful sa aming practicing simple dentist din in our own way.
Bukod sa masarap na pagkain, di lang ako nabusog sa masarap na pagkain, kundi sa learnings. Marami ako natutunan sa seminar na ito. From someone na hindi naman ako masyado nagpa-practice ng cosmetics, aesthetics, pero dito maganda siyang parang starting ground para mas ma-expose sa maraming cases. Ayun, inspiring din yung mga naging classmates and kabatch ko na nakikita ko yung magagandang cases nila. So, to start pa lang siya, and then marami pa sure na matututunan sa mga future.
Yan, katulad yung ongoing ngayon topics about sa shading. More on dapat natural looking na talaga yung mga ngipin ngayon. So, hindi ko na din ma-identify minsan kung natural ba yung ngipin or restorated na. So, pati yung mga materials na mas nakakatulong sa paggawa ng mga ngipin or pag-restore ng ngipin.
Today, I was really happy with the conference kasi we as learners were given a chance to showcase our talents and the things that we have learned at Dental Recipe program. And I'm really so thankful kasi napakadami ng prizes, and I got to see my colleagues, my mentors. It was really such a fun and well thought of event. Siyempre, the lecturers then, I learned a lot from my mentors, and it's nice. Kudos KJR Dental Center and to all our sponsors and to all the KJR Dental team for making this event possible. Thank you.